Phones are getting bigger and bigger. Brands are trying to fit in as much as possible into a smartphone. Reaching different parts of the phone is difficult, especially if you have a small hand. In this video, we will show you a few apps that will help you get around this. Welcome to techdome, and let's roll the intro and move on with the video. Reachability cursor helps you reach different parts of your phone. A touchpad appears on your display when you swipe from the sides. Now this is especially helpful when you are having trouble reaching the top of your phones while using your phone one-handed. Now this problem is faced by many who have small hands and big phones. Dragging the touchpad will move the cursor around, and tapping the touchpad will select the item. Now tapping somewhere else will get rid of the touchpad, or it will automatically disappear after a few seconds. Using the touchpad will be extremely useful for those of you who have small hands and big phones. One-handed mode is a feature that is seen in most of the phones nowadays. It helps you shrink your screen to a corner of your display and helps you access the different parts of your screen by using only one of your hands. Now, but if your phone does not support this feature, by default there is a way you can enable it on your phone. For this, you have to download the XDA one-handed mode from the Play Store, and basically it shrinks the screen size of your phone inside of your display, and it helps you easy access to different parts of your screen with only one hand. You can additionally change the size of the windows to your liking. For this, you have to open the one-handed mode app and go into the settings. In the settings, scroll down until you find the size menu. Enable the manual resize option. This enables you to drag and create the window size as you want. When you enable the one-handed mode, the screen will shrink to the size that you want. You can activate the one-handed mode by either toggling the one-handed mode from the notification toggle or by enabling the floating bubble toggle. You will have to provide the app with ADB permission to enable the one-handed mode on your phone. Reaching the quick settings from the top of your phone is a hard thing to do. If you download the bottom quick settings from the Play Store, it will help you drag up the quick settings from the bottom side of your phone. It is very easy to enable. Just allow it a few permission and it will work fine for you. You can toggle your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flash, etc. from the quick settings panel. But some settings like mobile data, location, etc. need root access for it to work. For the Pro version, you can rearrange your tiles. Additionally, you can also customize the quick settings to different themes. So these are some of the apps that help you use your phone with one hand. Hope you find our video helpful. If you did, subscribe to our channel for more content like this and hit on the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. This is techdome signing out.